Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, open Siri and search now and don't hesitate. You need Siri permissions enabled so suggestions can change. Once done, scan the list of apps below. Tap an app to reveal its suggestion options. This is where you take control. Make sure background app refresh and notifications are set if you want dynamic suggestions. Without them, recommendations may be stale. You're taking the first actionable step. Prepare each app's toggles so the system can learn from your usage. Now you adjust per app switches. Tap each app and toggle suggestions in search, on the lock screen, or in lookup according to your needs. You'll see options like Learn from this app or Show app. Disable them to stop the assistant from suggesting content from that app. Once done, add or remove the Siri Suggestions widget on your home screen to surface preferred shortcuts. This sets priority for daily tasks. Make sure to repeat for any app you want to fine-tune. Consistency improves suggestion relevance. Finish by restarting your iPhone to apply changes and clear cached suggestions. This often makes edits visible immediately. If suggestions remain inaccurate, reset learning. Turn off Siri and suggestions, wait a minute, then enable them again. This forces a fresh model. Once done, update iOS and the problematic apps and make sure you're signed into iCloud so personalization syncs. If things still go wrong, try signing out of iCloud and back in. This resolves rare sync or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.